November 24th, 2020, Fluency. Drag each expression in the correct answer space to show sums, differences, products, and quotients less than 50 and those greater than 50. So we have that less than 50 box here and greater than 50 box here. All right, let's multiply here. When we're multiplying, do I need to line up my decimals? No, you don't. All right, so we're going to have 2 and 5/10 times, in this case, I guess they do line up, times 8/10. So I'm going to put that 0.8. And we'll worry about the decimal later. Remember, we'll worry about that decimal later. All right, so what is 8 times 5? I know that's 40. I'm going to carry that 4. Drop that 0 here. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. All right, is 200 my answer? No, what did we forget to do? Decimal. All right, so we go in 1, in 2. So in our answer, we're going to go in 1, in 2. So our decimal is going to go in between that 2 and that 0 there. So our answer is 2. 2 and 0 hundredths, 2.00. So is 2 greater than or less than 50? 2 is not 50, so 2 is less than 50. It's smaller than, so we're going to put that box over here. Perfect, perfect. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. Ooh, let's divide. Yeah. All right, so when we divide, I'm going to move all these up, actually, so we have a little bit more room. There we go. All right, so when I move these up, we're going to divide 8,240. All right, 245, my bad. 8,245 divided by 5. How many times can 5 go into 8? It can go into 8 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is going to be 3. All right, now bring down that 2. How many times can 5 go into 32? I know it can go in 6 times because I know that 5 times 6 is 30. Oops. There we go. 5 times 6 is 30. So I'm going to write my 30 down here. 32 minus 32 minus 0, or minus 30. Whoa, my bad. 32 minus 30. So 2 minus 0 is going to be 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. I'm going to drop that 4 now. How many times can 5 go into 24? I know it can go in not 5 times, but 4 times, because if it's 5, that goes over. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20. All right, and then when we subtract, I'm actually going to delete that and move this up. I hope you all don't mind. There we go. All right, so when we subtract, give us a little more room. All right, we get 24 minus 20, which is 4. Bring down that 5. All right, so how many times can 5 go into 45? Ooh, I know 5 times 9 is 45. So I'm going to put that 9 above this 5 that we just brought down. So 5 times 9 is 45. When we subtract 45 minus 45, we do in fact get 0. Whoop. There we go. And 0. All right, so our answer is 1,649. Woo-wee, that is definitely bigger than 50. So we are going to put this definitely over in this greater than 50. All right, great job. Let's go ahead and take a look at our next one. I'm going to keep this room here. Let's subtract these ones. All right, so when we are adding or subtracting, what do we need to do with our left decimals? Line them up. So 354 and 67 hundredths. and 67 hundredths. There we go. Minus 238 and 27 hundredths. So we need to line up our decimal. So we have 27 hundredths here. Then our whole number is 238. 238. That was 354. Perfect. 238. Alrighty. Now we can start subtracting. 7 minus 7. Bada bing, bada boom. That's 0. 6 minus 2. 6, 5, 4. Ah, I need some more zeros. Alright. Alright, so what do I do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 4 minus 8 we cannot do. I'm going to make sure these are in front of everything. Wow. So that 5, it's not. Alright, so let's fix that. Nope. There we go. Order, bring the front. Perfect. Okay, so that 5 becomes a 4. To make this 4 a 14. So now we have 14 minus 8. Whoa. We've also used all of our 4s. How funny. Alright, let's get some more 4s there. Alright, so 14 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 6. Hopefully you get 6 as well. You should at least. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 2 is also 1. So 116 and 40 hundredths. 116, whoa, that is bigger than 50. That is greater than 50. All right, let's add now. Let's add. We do have some decimals. Remember, when we're adding or subtracting decimals, we have to line them up. And in this case, we do have another one, too. All right, so 45 and 6/10. So 4, 5.6. There we go. 11 and 90 hundredths. So 11. 11 and 90 hundredths. Probably need to make more zeros. Oh, there, perfect. And then plus 36. 36 is a whole number, so that means it's going to go in front of the decimal. We can put a place value of, or a placeholder of zeros here if you would like to. We can do that for sure. Same thing with this up here with that 6. All right, now we can start adding. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Whoa, 0. 6 plus 9 is going to be 15. So I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 5. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 13. So I'm going to carry that 1 and drop that 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I get 93 and 50 hundredths. So this is definitely bigger than 50, greater than 50. All right, awesome, awesome. Perfect, that's it for our fluency. Great job.